Back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with an all-new model by the name of the Donnelly. And this particular model is for you out there who have been asking for more two-bedroom single-section homes, and you want a little bit more razzle-dazzle on the inside when it comes to floor plan configurations. Well, we've taken care of that for you today in the Donnelly. But before I go any further, I want to ensure you hear the price of this beauty right up front. So this home, as you see it today, is 18 feet wide, 62 feet long, and that's going to include the 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $125K, $125,000, ladies and gentlemen. And you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. Keep in mind, this is 2026 housing, brand new construction that you can get for $125,000. I call that affordable housing no matter how you look at it. But with that said, think about the curb appeal you're going to get when you purchase from Recreational Resort Cottages and you get a home like the Donnelly that's going to have the 50-year smart panel siding going around this home in the garlic clove color. We also have the black magic that's going to be on your home that you'll see in the fascia going around to add some contrast and also match the black metal railing that you'll see on the front porch. And then, of course, we've topped it all off with a black metal roof. 30-year warranties on that, to be exact. So the entire exterior is maintenance free for the time that you will be living in it and enjoying it. Definitely be the least of your worries when it comes to maintenance and upkeep. Speaking of upkeep, go ahead and follow yourself up on this 8-foot front porch, where you'll see that we have the beam going across. We have the open header there, so that way you do not have the crow's foot, so you can admire the black metal interior porch ceiling that complements the black metal roof on the exterior. So all of that pans together, and we have 2 can lights there. It's already wired and braced for a ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. Then, of course, the decking. We're going to have composite decking on this porch. Again, a minimum of 30-year warranty on that as well. You're going to have 2 exterior electrical outlets on each side of the front porch, so it works phenomenal. If you're going to be relaxing in a chair, lounging, need to charge your phone, plug in your radio, stereo, the list goes on. Mr. Tiny is making it awesome in your new home when you purchase from Recreational Resort Cottages. And with that said, on the front wall here, we have your 36-inch blinds and glass front door. We have 1 single window here. Now, if you're ready, let's go ahead and take it in, the all-new Donnelly, so you can see how great this home is. And here we are on the interior of the Donnelly. And before I go any further, quick reminder for any of you that prefer the short form content and do not want to stick around for the long form educational videos here on the YouTube channel, you can run on over to the short section of our Recreational Resort Cottages channel to see the home tours in under 2 minutes. So if you got quick, fast, and in a hurry solution and you need to get the most information on the go, you can do that right now by running over to the short section. We're trying to make it convenient for all of you. And for doing so, please hit that subscribe button so you can continue to show love. We can keep doing these videos for you. Now, with that said, let's get to the main topic of discussion, this all new Donnelly, that if you're in the market for a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home coming in at around 918 square feet to be exact, this is going to be one that you definitely want to make note of, because with it being 18 feet in width, as soon as you enter the living area, you're going to be greeted by an abundance of space. And right here, we threw in, we got to add some razzle-dazzle, ladies and gentlemen. And this is a 50-inch LED putting off heat fireplace, because I want to make sure I include the putting off heat, because a lot of them are for looks. This ain't for play. This is the real deal. So you're going to be able to put off some heat with it as well. We went ahead and went with the gray pedal tile that's going to be surrounding the fireplace. We have the Pebblestone unique wood on each side of the entertainment center fireplace option. And then on top, we have the glacier quartzite countertop. Again, if you're familiar with the channel, you can place your TV here, place it on the wall, keep your natural light in with the 3 transom windows, and it leads directly to the vault of the ceiling going down the middle, where you'll see we continued with the Pebblestone wood accent beam with the 3-blade ceiling fan there on it. Great option, great character, great focal points as soon as you enter this home. Hard surface flooring will also be through the home, so you do not have to worry about any carpet in this model. And then, as we see with the 18 feet of width, look at how much space you have. We put a sectional in here just to show you we could do it. And as you can see, you still have even more space to include another chair, accent table. So you could deck it out in here with coffee tables, recliners. The choice is yours, but tons of natural light. As you'll see, 3 large picture windows, 3 transoms there in the tower dormer. And then just because we wanted to add some additional features and color coordinate, we added another half wall here in the pebblestone accent. So it's a great option and leads me directly from the living area into your kitchen and dining space, which you'll see you will be greeted by an island here centered where we have the pebblestone accent on the legs and the side and back of the island, glacier quartzite countertop, the Tweety bird cage pendant lights, and then you even have outlets on each leg of the island. So plenty of space for you to relax and enjoy. Again, we have 2 stools in here. You could potentially fit 3 depending on the size of the stools. But if that isn't enough, because it's 18 feet of width, Mr. Tiny's got it covered for you. You have enough space here for a dining table. Yes, you have been asking for an option where we recently have been putting a lot of 2-bedroom homes, putting in the sliding glass door or patio door here. We wanted to bring it to life and show you if we just put a single access door here, an exterior door here, and put a window, that you can really utilize this space for your dining area. And as you can see, whether you use a drop leaf table or anything that you would like, you have enough space to do so and still gaze out onto your property and enjoy. Also, we'll see the built-in hutch here with tons of countertop space. Again, glacier quartzite. Continued with the gray pedal backsplash. We have the night light there just in case you get scared of the boogeyman. USB ports and additional cabinetry up top. Trimmed it out in the unique wood and the pebblestone, built-in microwave there with additional storage up above, tall cabinetry as well. And then we'll lead you around, and I want you to see the front side of this island here, because storage is going to be key in this area, because we know you're going to be doing a lot of cooking. You want to have the space to be able to utilize. You have tons of silverware drawers, additional cabinetry down below. We have the trash can compartment there that slides out for your convenience. And then across from that, you're going to have the main area of the kitchen where you're going to have your farm sink with the detachable sprayer, window, cabinets on each side. We run the backsplash all the way up to the bottom of the cabinets, giving you a full-size dishwasher, stainless steel smooth top oven, and the Stonecrest glass top vent hood. So that is a great option there. Looks super elegant in person and runs all the way up where we've draped that gray pedal backsplash all the way up that stack to the ceiling. Now, you follow me this way and notice with it being 18 feet of width, ooh, don't make me start the cha-cha slide. Don't make me start the limbo line here in your hallway, because you have enough access to do it. And for those of you that are out there that may have some mobility issues, or just you need a little bit more room to work with when you're coming through your house, you don't want to be sitting there tiptoeing through your own home. This right here in the Donnelly is going to be a great option for you with having this 18 feet of width, because even in the hallway where things typically get a little tighter, you got even more space. I mean, we got furniture in here just to show you how much space we got to work with. With that said, you're going to have the side-by-side fridge over here to the side. And then beside that, we have the built-in desk. Tons of you keep asking for it, so we're going to keep doing it until you tell us otherwise, because no matter what, people are working from home, or if you just like to get online and watch great videos of home tours from a very polite, kind of handsome, humorous man named opposite of Mr. Big, then you could do so right here at your laptop or iPad or anything that you have. You have a designated space to do so. Additional drawers on each side, cabinetry on each side of that, pebblestone accent there, and then of course we're adding any natural light that we can, so we included that window there centered. Across, you will have your first bedroom. This is again a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. A lot of times I say these plans are for clients who could be fine with the 1-bedroom option, but they may have grandkids that are coming over. They may just need a hobby room. They may need just an extra storage space, or they just like to have the extra bedroom just in case the guests come over. They have a room to do it and they want them to stay, but not stay too long. This is the room that you have in the Donnelly. So again, can fit up to a queen bed in here. Again, that's about as big as I would go personally, but fit up to a queen bed in here, natural light coming off. We're going to have the ceiling, of course, vault as it gets towards the center. And then you're going to have a pocket door right here on your closet, where you have the additional hanging space as well as the additional storage down below. Now, we'll lead ourselves out and follow me this way. And then right behind this desk area, you'll see another storage space. We're putting storage in here where we can, because why not? You always find some place to put things. So with the coat closet, you have an extra area there. And we've done that, and we're able to do that because we went with the stackable washer and dryer option in the Donnelly. So tend to go with that option here because it leaves the space open for the additional storage. However, if you say, Mr. Tiny, I prefer the side-by-side option, I don't want to do stackable, just keep in mind we can do that. We would just lose this designated storage space there. Totally up to you, but Mr. Tiny does give you options. So when you call me, just tell me what you like. Mr. Tiny will make it right. Go ahead and keep following me back here into the primary bedroom. And in the primary, look at you, you'll see here, any size bed you want to do, you can do. Right in here, king bed, queen bed, in between bed, you can get right here. If you wanted to put on this wall, have your windows on each side. You can put it on this main wall here and have tons of space. We have your outlets situated perfectly, so you can put nightstands there. And then across here, you'll see that we do have the barn doors with the built-in dresser. The barn doors work wonderful because you have the space in the closets for hanging and storage down below, but then it does not swing into your bedroom. And for those of you that ask about TV placement, you have a few options. You have the area here in between your closets. Also went ahead and took care of you and added a TV jack at around 5 foot up the wall. So that way you can have that there mounted perfectly for you. And what I love about the Donnelly too is that you have the dual access into the bathroom. So from your bedroom, you can lead right here into your bathroom space. So convenient being right here. And with the additional countertop there, drawer bank cabinet down below, mirror up top, linen cabinet here with adjustable shelving for your convenience. And then as you come right here, you'll see that we have the full tile shower. This is going to be the full Carrera tile in a vertical pattern with the sliding glass door. Looks marvelous no matter which way you're entering the bathroom. But we've taken this Carrera tile in the vertical pattern from the pan all the way up to the ceiling, where you'll see the rain shower head is right up above me. For those of you that are familiar and real subscribers of the channel, you can run down to the comment section and let them know if it's their first time to the video how tall I am, so you can see how much space you have to accommodate here in the Donnelly shower. Also, we have a transom window over there in the corner because why not when you can do it? So we've added that in there. Looks wonderful, but then also you have the other access back out into the hallway. So if guests are over and you just want a one bathroom home, they can access it, and you can lock your bedroom door so they can stay out of your personal space and just access the bathroom right here and go on their way. You have options, but follow me back through this home and see as we walk back through the Donnelly how this plan opens up. Again, with it being around 918 square feet, I promise you it feels well over 1,000 square feet because of the way that this home is arranged and the additional natural lighting you're getting from all of the windows surrounding. It is a great home, great plan, and if you're in the market, one that would be a great addition to your property. To run back through these statistics one more time, let me go ahead and refresh you. This home is again 18 feet wide, 62 feet long, and that is going to include the 8-foot front porch. It's 918 square feet, and I have it on sale today for $125,000, and $125,000 will be for everything you see besides furniture and decor. So you'll get everything else, appliances included, and that does include delivery within the first 100 miles. Now, what you need to do and what I need you to do is hit that thumbs up button and let me know that you enjoyed this video. Also, hit subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. A lot of you are watching the videos but not subscribing, especially if this is your first time or second to the channel, you still haven't subscribed. Go ahead and hit that button. It does wonders for me and keeps us going with this channel each and every week. Also, run down to the comment section. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Donnelly was today. Did you enjoy the fact that we added the single door there to the side with the window in the dining area to allow more space there? We also went to more of a stackable option so you could get more storage in the hallway. Did you like the fact that this home was 18 feet wide, giving you a tremendous hallway and walkability from front to back of this model? Let me know if you enjoyed those features so we can keep it coming in the future. And also, if you're interested in reaching out to me about purchasing this Donnelly, you can run on over to Instagram or TikTok at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Donnelly as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike.